Containers are cool, but can also present challenges. But problems can be partners in the process.
The thin metal walls of a container don't offer enough depth to run electrical components throughout the space. So today we're going to talk to an electrician about how to make it work with his tricks of the trade.
Ryan, it's great to have you here, man. I know you were intimately involved in getting Soulberry up and going, and so, really want to kind of dive into the mechanics, behind these walls. I know you had to get creative on how to get all the power and plumbing and electric and everything in here. So let's kind of break it down and see what we can do from here.
One of my biggest responsibilities here was being head of the electricity. That in itself was a hurdle, being a shipping container and have to do electricity inside and outside of here. Some of those hurdles that I had to tackle was lenders were burning out the GFIs, or I had to switch GFIs every so often. When you guys first opened, there was only a couple freezers. Now you guys added more and more freezers each year. So it's taking a lot of voltage in each outlet, which is, we just had to change outlets every year and add more electricity for the place to run smoother.
So as you were getting Soulberry up and going, I know it was definitely difficult. You had your problems. I mean, was it just you overseeing the whole electrical work here, or was there more people involved?
No, there was 3 of us total on the job. It definitely takes more than one person to get this job done, especially, it's a big job like this.
That's pretty incredible. I mean, you see something from the outside, it looks so small. It doesn't look like it's real complex in there, but I mean, even something like this just creates so much opportunity for a multitude of people, and then across all the trades. I mean, there's a huge amount of careers and people working on this thing to get it up and going.
Plenty of opportunity.
Yeah.
And when you're younger and you're looking to get into a trade, I would go in with an open mind, see what you like the best. And if you like electrician and plumbing, do both. If you like electrician, plumbing, and carpenter, do all 3. If you like just carpeting, just do the one. But yeah, the field is open for whatever you want to do.
Yeah, it certainly seems like there's definitely not a shortage of work. In football terms, people always said you add to your value as an athlete, the more you can do. If you can block, if you can tackle, if you can do all this stuff, play on special teams, it definitely seems like there's value in learning more than one trade.
Definitely.
Students, let's build a better world together. Check out autodesk.com/makeitreal for inspiration, learning, and scholarship opportunities.